Zons the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from China. I got it from Wajimaya. It's a Japanese grocery store in Bellevue, Washington. This is pork ribs flavor instant noodles by Dragonfly, and this is one that I've had in the past. I think I liked it. I'm pretty sure I liked it. So we shall see what we got in here. We got a bundle. A bundle of fun stuff to share here. Let's see what we got. Included fork. Here's how the noodles look. You know, there was a brand in Canada called 4C's, and like for water, sea, and they actually had 2 noodle blocks in the bowls. Real deal. Got some veg. There's that. Then we got some seasoning. That's what they're calling it. Like just like a big sachet of powder. Powdery. And then we've got some paste. What they're calling it, sauce. Sousy sauce. So how is your day going? Mine's actually, despite feeling kind of crummy, it's actually going good. Why do I feel crummy, you ask? Do you have the COVID? No, I don't have the COVID. Maybe I do. I really tend to doubt it, though. But if I do, I will take proper medical, procedural thing doing. But no, I went out this morning, and my theory still seems to hold true. If I have a couple beers before dinner, I end up oversleeping like there's no tomorrow. Well, I didn't oversleep because I didn't have any beers, so it's like tomorrow's New Year's Eve, and I enjoy the beer, but I'm thinking I'll just abstain so I can go out walking. Anyway, let's turn this on and go 1, 2, 3, and I got 3 minutes, and I already spilled some water. Yeah. Yeah, I just feel like all sorts of tired, like making the stove make squeaky noises, you know. But first things first, let's do our quote of the day from our friend Momofuku Ando, the guy who invented instant noodles. I just took a nap on the couch. Then I woke up to my son hiccuping. So I was like, "Do you want me to scare you?" He's like, "Okay." So I wait a few seconds and I go, "Ah!" And it scared the crap out of my daughter across the room. It made my boy laugh, but my daughter like totally scared the crap out of her. Well, let's see. I'm gonna go with 140. Wait. Yeah, 139 was sow new seeds while healthy. Number 140. Business is about numbers. You are not an accomplished entrepreneur unless you can instantly grasp the numbers in your head. I want to say I already did that. So I'm going to go to 141. A wise man should be able to assume different colors. A wise man should be able to assume different colors. Now we're just getting silly. How do you, what? Like, a wise man will turn purple at the drop of a hat. Let's ask our President Perfecto if that is true. Should a wise man be able to assume different colors?
Not even a little bit. Not even 1%.
Okay. Alright. No. That's enough out of you. But yeah. Assume different colors. Maybe different roles, but not really different colors. I just don't understand. I'm kind of confused by that. A little bit. I got a new hat. I don't know how much I like it. I'll let you know. Yeah, you can think that I'm a Vulcan. I'm hiding my ears. Gotta do that sometimes. I like it, but it's kind of snug. You got a big head. Okay. Enough about me. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. We may have a new first time ever guest on the show today. Although, I don't know. I'm not really feeling all that guesty. But we'll see. We have a guy who comments all the time on the old YouTube. A guy named First Name Last Name. Oddly enough, that's his name on YouTube, but he doesn't. He told me that his parents didn't name him that. I was like, really? Did you eat all your lunch? What? You ate your lunch faster than Miles? I don't know what to think about that, Mimi. That's crazy business. I see. Mimi has decided it's time for her to have a beverage and her pink tablet. So I'm going to pause you for a second. I'll be back. And I'm back? Yeah, I'm back. Hi. So now I need stuff to, I need bowl for you. You know? What kind of pictures does it have on here? Oh, it's got a weird looking bowl. Golly. Ha. I don't know what bowl I want to use today. It's a tough call, I swear. Some days it's just really hard to pick. I don't know. I think we'll go with... Yeah, let's use this one. We'll go with this one with the lovely flower in the middle. That works. Okay. There you go. Everybody can enjoy everybody can see. Okay, there's a mound of noodles. I don't have any pork ribs. I'm sorry about that. I do have chashu, so I figured. Hold on. Papa is knee deep in the hoopla. You don't need to make yourself like burp over and over. No, that's unpleasant. Where's your drink?
I got this.
Ah, thank you, sir. And here is your tableau. Here. And here is your tableau. You are very welcome. You are both well-behaved wonder children. I gotta say, they're well-behaved wonder for children. Oh, I need an egg. I'm gonna use the last 2 eggs in these 2, and then tomorrow's New Year's Eve, and I'm gonna do, at least New Year's Eve for me, I'm gonna do just like something absolutely insane because it's New Year's Eve. Oh, they got this app. You guys ever heard of the Talking Tomcat? It's like that, but it's got like Santa Claus, I think. They really like it. There is no end for my children of enjoyment of things that talk back what they've said in a weird voice. They enjoy the weird voice stuff. I do too. What can you do? Okay. Oh my. He doesn't want video games. What goes good? I'm gonna use a little fried onion. This came from this box that Nissan Foods sent me a while back. That was all, what do you call it? All different kinds of seasonings and thises and thatses to add to noodles for their 50th anniversary of Top Ramen thing. And it was a contest, and whoever won got to be the chief, that's what they call him, the chief noodle officer over at Nissan. Which is rad. Did I win? No, but there's a good reason for that. I did 4 different things, but I never entered them. I totally spaced the time when you had to do that by, so it's like, oh. But it looks like a nice guy won, so congratulations to him. And yeah, pretty cool. I'm not sore. My fault. Would I have won? I don't think so. This guy did something pretty darn good. I've never said that I'm like a real chefy kind of guy, but I should have won. I should have entered. Yeah, that's more like it. I should have entered. Alright, well that is that for this episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all that stuff. I never say it, and you're going to be like, why don't you ever tell people to do that? Because everybody tells people to do that, so I only do it once in a while. Tomorrow, what will be enjoyed on the show? It's a shiny package. Probably guess what it is. It's Mama's shrimp flavored Tom Yum noodle from Thailand. Actually, this could be made in it says Thailand. Cool. The European versions are made in Hungary. Is it Hungary? Budapest? I don't know. I don't remember. Anyway, the Hansa Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Go to Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider, on Facebook. It's a group. Join it. Do it. Be well.